Hi there, it's Isilia here from Tax World. Today I'd like to talk to you about Tax Appeal 39TACD2024, which relates to the COVID Relief Support Scheme. This was an appeal by a company against a determination by the Revenue Commissioners that the company was not eligible for payments under Ireland's COVID Relief Support Scheme. The company sells a product called XVZ, which is installed at customer premises. Customers required training and demonstrations on using the product. The company claimed it meets COVID Relief Support Scheme eligibility criteria, including operating from a premises where it stores products, conducts administration, hosts customers for demos/training prior to sale. It provided letters from a past customer and another party confirming they witnessed product demos at the company's premises. The Revenue Commissioners argued the company's activities are primarily conducted at customer sites, not its own premises, and therefore it did not meet the COVID Relief Support Scheme requirement of having to prohibit/restrict public access to its own premises due to COVID restrictions. The Appeals Commissioner upheld the Revenue Commissioner's determination. Key reasons were: the company's main activity and place of supply is at customer premises, not its own premises. Training/demos are ancillary activities. It was unclear from evidence what training/demos take place on the company's premises. The company did not provide a reasonable basis to split eligible thus ineligible turnover activities. The company was not specifically required to prohibit public access to its own premises under COVID restrictions. Therefore, the company did not satisfy COVID Relief Support Scheme eligibility criteria, specifically related to restricting public access to its own premises. Its appeal was unsuccessful. I hope you found that useful, and I'll see you in the next video.